this is me. I'm going to show the method that I told you, putting it to use. So it's called the layer by layer method. So let's go. Done it! That's how clever it is. Yeah. My name is Richard, I'm 9 years old and I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Today I'm going to teach you... Hi, my name is Richard, I'm going to teach you how to solve... Ow. What?
Go on. Hi,
Do that again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, my name is Richard. I'm 9 years old today and I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube.
No, you look at the camcorder again.
I need to look.
You look at the paper.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Second big shot.
Go.
Today I'm going to teach you...
Hi.
Ow, I can't see. Oh, I just wish it was written on there.
Okay, come on. Look at the camcorder. 1, 2, 3, smile. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Richard and I... Oh my
Cut
God.
again. Go.
Hi, my name is Richard. I'm 9 years old today and I'm going to teach you how
Not today. I'm 9 years old today. Hi, I'm... Okay, ready? 1. Don't scramble it now.
No, I'm not scrambling, I'm putting it
Put it back, that's it. Put it in order, nice, that's it. Make it look nice. Ready?
Wait, that's not nice.
Okay.
This is there.
Bring it in front of you, little bit, Rubik's Cube. Bring it in front of you, that's it. A little bit more, so camcorder can see it, that's it. No, in front of you, here. Leave it there. Okay, look at the, stand straight. Stand straight, that's it.
Wait.
Look. Okay, smile. Look at here and...
Hi, my name is Richard. I am 9 years old and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Once I've... Oh! Right, I just scrambled the